Good morning. This is V. I'm here to take you behind the scenes for a day in the life playing Belinda Chandra. Because we're not actually filming in Lagos, we're filming in the studio in Cardiff. It's very cold, so that's why I have a gazillion thermal layers on underneath. This is my boyfriend. Once every episode, we have to do stills so that you have lovely pictures of us in our costumes. Welcome to my crib. Not really, it's a barbershop. How incredibly detailed and beautiful. This is where the boys sit to have their hair cut. This is the special clipper. I think this might be the one. Yeah, just... I won't do that, that's really bad. This is definitely a video, guys. Oh. And now I get D-ring and go home.